So today I'm going to be making some new pieces for my online shop. I'm going to make a few paintings. One of the first things I'm going to make is this tablescape. So I'm thinking of maybe a breakfast table with sort of a newspaper. So that's my idea. So I'm going to show you and take you along with how I come up with that and how I actually make that work. I'm going to be using my acrylics for the canvas, and then for another series of prints I'm going to be using my Himi gouache, and I really love this palette. It's like 112 different colors. So let's get to work and see how productive I can be. I just finished these two pieces and I'm really happy with how they came out. So this one is Bloom Slowly. I really love the design. I love how free-flowing it is. And then Wild at Heart. And this is just the color combination of this is, oh my gosh, I just love this so much. So these two are going to be photographed and then added to my online shop. I'm going to digitize them, make them into prints. I think I might keep the originals for myself. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell them. Sometimes I sell the originals, sometimes I don't. But I think I'm going to add it to my gallery wall over here. And this is the third one in my collection, which is already in my shop. So this is the Stay Wild. And then here's my gallery wall so far. So it's a bit empty. Well, there are some pieces, but I want to add some more pieces. And then this is the other piece that I created from earlier. So it's pretty small. And I'm just putting it here until it sells. And if it doesn't sell, it's going to live on my gallery wall. And then that's another print. This one's not, but these are prints that are on my shop as well. This guy isn't, could be. Very cute, not sure. So there, so that Stay Wild one is in the same collection as the Bloom Slowly and Wild at Heart. And I'm just really loving the vibe. Can I just imagine them on the wall? And I'm really excited to see what they look like once I frame them. I need to find some frames, take pictures and put them online. I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog. If you have, make sure to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.